Hello folks, this is Kilo 8 Charlie Papa Tango with another video for you. Sorry about the poor camera quality, dealing with a cell phone camera at the moment. Anyway, there are two menu systems in the KN-850. You have a hidden menu system and a normal menu system. The normal menu system is entered by tapping the display button several times until you reach the setting that you like. And then when you reach the setting that you like, you'll hit the up and down keys to change that setting. Okay, this also has a neat feature for you CW fans out there, or at least if you're learning CW. It has a practice mode. When you enable the CW practice mode, you will hear your tones, but you will not transmit. So it's a nice little feature to allow you to kind of get the hang of your radio and learn CW without worrying about transmitting. Alright, now quickly I will show you how to enter the second mode, the advanced mode. And again, on the main mode, the up and down arrows are your selection arrows. So you can select your stepping, for instance, or you could go in and select your filter mode. And sorry for the crappy video. Hopefully later on I'll be able to show you on a better camera. But there's no videos out here on the KN-850, so even audio that's not that great is better than nothing, right? Okay. To turn the radio off, you hold your power button until you see it say power off, then let go. Alright, now to get into the hidden menu, quickly you hold the display button and press power at the same time. As soon as you see the screen light up, you can let go. Okay, now we'll do the same thing to go through your menu items. Tap display. And you'll see some of these look the same. SWR, backlight display, CW practice mode. What's this? Interesting. Okay, we've got into the advanced menu system where you can adjust your filter widths for each filter, which is really cool. You can also adjust your CW tone. Filter modification, I can't honestly remember what this one is. Some of them I need to learn myself yet. Like I say, all the manuals and stuff are in Chinese, and there's one manual out that's in English, but it's very hard to follow. CW delay. Okay, a little note. Your high SWR set. So what this does is you can set your SWR up so that if you're transmitting and you get above a certain threshold, the transceiver will actually shut off the transmitter. And that's how they do SWR protection on this. It's not scaled by your output. Your output power is not scaled back, rather, like a lot of HF transceivers. It is shut off to protect the finals of the radio. Now myself, I don't mind this at all. Alright, when you're in the advanced mode, instead of just hitting the up and down arrow to change a setting, once you get into the setting that you want to change, there's one extra addition to changing your settings. You hold the display button. Okay, and then it'll get you into the SWR setting, for instance, here, and we can change our SWR alert to shut down the transceiver at a whatever SWR you like. You can go down to 1.5 or up to 4. I have mine set at 4 right now. I'm using a mag loop, so I need it to be a little bit more forgiving to get the mag loop tuned in. When I'm tuning a mag loop with this as well, I'll put the power down low and I will trigger CW mode with the transceiver. And that way I can get a constant carrier to tune in my my loop to the best possible match. And I use a SWR meter as well. The built-in SWR meter on this leaves a little bit to be desired, but it's very functional in the fact that it does protect your finals from high SWR. Okay, let me think of other settings that you may be interested in. Okay, first off, we'll leave the main menu, or the advanced menu rather, I'm sorry. Power off the radio, power it back on. Now it will be in normal mode. Okay, so we are on 14270 VFO, and we're on sideband. To change from sideband to CW, tap the display and then hold it. So we're in CW mode. If you want to leave CW, tap the display and hold it. Now we're in sideband. So that's how you switch from sideband to CW. Tap the display and hold it. CW. Tap the display and hold it. Sideband. Other than that, if you have any questions, you can contact me and I can try to walk you through anything else that you'd like to see. Also, I remember last time I made a video, I showed the back end of the radio, but I didn't show a very good image of it. And I've had a couple people ask me to show that. So bear with me for one moment. Power down the radio. And remove my coax connection. Okay, I'm going to flip the transceiver quickly. Show you the back end of the transceiver. Okay. So here's the rear end of the transceiver. Let's see, it's got speaker, key, AF in, AF out, IF out, and antenna tuner unit, the ATU, USB for doing your digital modes, and then an accessory port. I do not have the pinout on the accessory port right now. I will get that in the future and share it with everyone. Alright, this is K8CPT. I hope you liked the video. Sorry for the mess here on the desk, but I hope it was informational enough to help you out there. 7-3.